What's up, everybody? I'm working on the other one. I pulled this one down and it had this piece on it here. Threads were different than the connectors that I have, so I had to go and get some different fittings, but I plugged it in and this little red light was on when I first plugged it in. So I knew one of these worked and the other one I wasn't sure of. So I grabbed this one down from the shelf, plugged it in, and it works. So I'm gonna go with this one instead. Now, I thought this was the one that came with this compressor. It's just been so long that I didn't remember. So I had to go with a compression fitting thread. They're a little bit different. They're like a 3/8 compression fitting, finer coarse threads, finer threads than the standard whatnot that's in these. And then I'm just using the well, apparently not. I'll have to get something. Actually, I'll probably use the other one. Yeah, the female threads for that plug will go right on there. So I don't even have to use this compression fitting, which is nice because now I get to save that compression fitting for later. Whoa, let's set that up here. And 5/8 on one. So let's save these. These have these little flow pieces on them, but one of them is pretty filled up with rust. So might be able to clean it, so I'm just gonna save it for now. And then I need the female versions on this, so I can throw that one in the box. I love having these little buckets full of parts. And then get the pipe thread, blue monster stuff. Yeah, that one's busted. I thought so. Don't know where my gloves are at. I should be wearing gloves. This stuff stains everything. I don't know where my tape is at either, so everything's just piled up somewhere, and I found this right away. I didn't feel like digging for the rest, and that stuff works decent. I used it on the outside hose reel. The outside hose reel that I have is a air hose reel. I have it mounted to the garage out there. think this stuff is expired. It doesn't want to flow on very well. But I'm gonna use it anyway. Yeah, stuff down at the bottom of the can is a little bit better to work. All right, I'll just throw that can away. And then this here. So in is the top. Out is the bottom. Now I'm gonna make it a little bit easier to do it that way. And I think that's, yeah, that'll work. Ooh, I just pinched my thumb. And there we go. I guess that's tight enough. All right. And we are done. So now I just gotta connect up and yeah, I don't know. Oh, my hose reel is connected to the other air compressor. So let's just set that there. There it is, done. I just hope it has refrigerant in there. Hopefully it's charged up. If not, more work ahead of me. So, yeah, that's that. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to troll me in the comments section.